Okay, in geometry in chapter 1.2, we're going to compare segments for congruence, and what they'll do is they'll give you 4 points and then ask you to determine whether the JK segment and the LM segment are congruent. And remember that congruent means the same size or equal. So for the J, to remind you, you start at the origin. The first number tells you to go left or right, and then the second number tells you to go up or down, and you always go left or right before you go up or down. So I'm going to go back to the left, 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be my J. Now my K is at 2, 4, so that's right 2 since it's positive, and up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's K. I'm going to connect those, and I'm going to show you how to do it algebraically using the ruler postulate that we studied earlier, but I'll also show you more of a common sense method. Now my L is 1, 3, so from the origin, that's right 1 and up 1, 2, 3. That's my L. And then my M is 1, negative 2, so that's right 1, but down 2. Since it's negative, it's down 2. And I have a vertical line. Okay, so we want to see if they're the same size, if they are congruent. What we'll do to find the horizontal line, we're going to use the X's and the ruler postulate to find that. So let's go with JK first. So JK's measurement is going to be the absolute value, see, of these two X's here. So that's like 2 minus negative 3. We need it to be an absolute value because we can't have a negative length, and this will ensure that it'll be a positive answer. 2 minus a negative 3, I'm going to add the opposite there, and I'm going to get 2 plus 3, which is the absolute value of 5. And remember, the absolute value of 5 is the distance from 0 on the number line, so that is 5. The easiest way to do it, if it's a horizontal line, is just to count it. There's 1 from here, don't count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. It's easier than doing this, but they want you to use the ruler postulate. Now, LM is going to get that vertical length. We're going to look at the Y's on the L and M. So it's like this 3 and this negative 2 here. So it's the absolute value of 3 minus negative 2. And it doesn't matter which order you put those in. You could have also written negative 2 minus 3, and that would have also worked. I'm going to add the opposite again, and I get a 5. Once again, the absolute value of 5 is 5. So both of these are 5. This LM is 5. If I wanted to count it, I would start here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 5. So are they congruent? Yes, they are. We'll write it like this. JK, segment JK, is congruent to segment LM.